Since we know now the value of our R, okay, which is 2.47. Actually, dapat may meters. Ito, lagyan natin ng meters, guys. Teka lang. Meters, yan. So, since we know now the value of the R, meron na tayong mass, and we have here the radius of the sphere, we are now ready to put this particular number sa ating equation na nandito sa taas. Take note, we've started from M1, R1 until M4, R4 kasi meron tayong apat na masses right here. So hopefully clear yon. So we are now going to substitute. So makita lang natin dito sa baba. We have I is equal to 2 kilograms times yung R1 natin. Okay, we're just going to add 0.25 meters plus ito yung 2.47 natin. So we are going to write that as 0.25 meters plus 2.4748737341 meters. Actually guys, pwede nyo rin siyang i-round off into 2 or 3 decimal places. Okay, kasi yung final answer naman natin mamaya is we will going to round it off into decimal places. Pero pinapakita ko lang dito, or ginamit natin dito yung lahat ng digits to show the accuracy. Okay, para maging accurate yung computation natin, square. Ayan. Now, kung mapapansin ninyo, since pare-parehas lang yung natin, yung yung distance ng mass natin from the center, kasi ito naman yung axis of rotation natin, so pare-parehas sila, pwede natin gawin dito, okay, it is expected na yung mga values sa mga susunod na mga formulas ng M2 is 2 kg pa rin, yung R2 is ganito pa rin. So, pwede natin siyang i-multiply, okay, by 4. Nakuha ba yun? Okay, so kung medyo masipag-sipag ka, pwede mong one by one kang magsasubstitute. Pero since medyo tinatamad ako, okay, and mayroong mas easier way, pwede natin siyang ito and then multiply by 4. So we will be arriving with the answer that the moment of inertia, okay, of the whole masses, okay, 1, 2, 3, and 4, kapag yung axis of rotation ay nasa gitna, is 48.99, and take note of the unit kg, and this is m square, so that is kg m square. Wait lang. So guys, this is our ito yung moment of inertia natin for your letter A.